Enye yezinto nje bazalwane that we'd like to kind of like share with all of you is nami lake lacishe langihlasela le demoni lokufuna ukuyeka isikole before my matric. Kodwa kwasho ukuthi I'm a person who loves to relate with the teachers. I loved my teachers. They know everything about me. Lapha evela bahle othisha ischeme lesi esasiboshele ngenkathi sifunda. I was there 2011 2015. So sengihamba ngikhulume with a couple of teachers sithi hayi ngifuna ukuyeka isikole manje, ngifuna ukuqala iministry, ngifuna ukuyoshumayela namba abantu bayabhubha. Waphendula uMam Changase, waphendula uMam Khoza, waphendula uMesimkhize. uMam Khize mbiza uMesimkhize, waphendula uMs Ngqoko. I don't know manje they are somewhere with their lives and I wish them the best. Abanye they are still part of my life, abanye because of ikhathi kaNkulunkulu sisazobuye sibonane nabo, masingabonani nabo la siyohlangana enyaweni kaJesu. So bathi kimi Sikhumbuzo ungangihlanyisi, ufuna ukwenzani? Ufuna ukuyeka isikole? I mean Sikhumbuzo, isikole ungasiyeki noma ngabe uzwa ishisa kangakanani into kaNkulunkulu kuwe, ungahlukani nesikole. Hlala mfana wami, hlala, isikhathi sakho siyeza. Sikhuluma ngesikhathi esizayo. Kuthiwa makutshalwa imbewu kwi-agriculture kuyenzeka imbewu ingamili masifakwe emhlabathini ngoba mhlampe itshalwe yasifuna ukuthomba ngewinter kanti iyimbewu that thrives in summer. So uma uyibona ingagerminate wena ingenxa yokuthi isizini yayo ayikakafiki, ilindile, ayifile, ilinde isikhathi. Bazalwane, kunezikhathi esiyifunda eBhayibhelini sengivala ngoba ngisemsebenzini. 3 things. Sikhuluma ngoJosefa, sikhuluma ngoJeroboam, sikhuluma ngoJesu. 3 J's. Laba bantu bo-3 bazalwane kutholakala ukuthi bathi mabefika ngoba bayingxenye yoshintsho olulethwa uNkulunkulu. uJosefa wafika noshintsho kuJakobe, uJakobe wangalamkela nabafowabo, uNkulunkulu wamdingisa, wayemthatha wayomtraina ngendlela kaNkulunkulu ngoba uJosefa wayefike noshintsho kubantu abangekho ready. Noshintsho kwathiwa delay Joseph in training ngoba isikhathi sakho siyeza, safika futhi isikhathi sakho uJosefa wa-excel. Same thing noJeroboam. Kwathiwa kuDavide ngiyothatha umbuso ngiyoshiya uJuda kuphela. Wahamba umbuso kwasala uSolomon ebusa, kwase kuba khona le ndoda ekuthiwa uJeroboam. uSolomon wayenendodana kwakuthiwa uRehoboam. Mekhula uSolomon kwakhona lo odingiswayo ngoba yena wayeza noshintsho kuthiwa uJeroboam bazalwane. uJeroboam wadingiswa naye wenzeka njengoJosefa, waya eGibhithe ngoba inamandla indaba yeGibhithe. Wadingiswa naye waya kephi? eGibhithe. Kodwa naye mase sifikile isikhathi sakhe ngoba uletha ushintsho. Ushintsho angeke ulivimbe, whether you like it or not. Change will come with or without you. It is inevitable. That is what Jesus came representing. The Bible says when Jesus arrived in the planet, he arrived right after a mass genocide of young boys. Do you remember? That boys were killed by their thousands. Lapha Bethlehem. Khala besifazane. Kanti sekuzozala uJesu, uHerode zama uku-erase ukufika kaJesu. Njengoba sike sezwa kukhulunywa ngokubulawa kwezingane, njengoba sibona namanje kubulawa abantu abasha deliberately ngoba kuyazi ukuthi khona into ezoqhuma. And angeke ivinjwe umuntu lento ezoqhuma ngoba icebo likaNkulunkulu ngekulivimbe futhi isikhathi mase kufika isikhathi. Uma ufunda iBhayibheli, from time to time the Bible says when the time had come, at the right time, it came to pass. Isikhathi, time, and God's plans and God's systems are inevitable and they will change. They will happen whether you like it or not. It is inevitable. It is inevitable. It is unstoppable. It is unchangeable. It is non-negotiable. So when we hear the story of Jesus, that Jesus was warned, they said to him, Jesus, likewise, like your ancestors, uJeroboam noJosepha bahamba bacasha eGibhithe ngenxa ukuthi kwakhona abantu abaresista ushintsho. noJesu watshenwa the same thing, kwathiwa Maria mthathu Jesu niyocasha eGibhithe azakhulu uJesu, kanti uNkulunkulu umcashisa eGibhithe njengoba ufuna ukuqhatha abamelene nesikhathi, abaqhathe nesikhathi. Wahamba wahlala eGibhithe waze wafa uHerodi, then wasiwabuya uJesu. Ebuya esephethe i-servant leadership. Ngisazofundisa ngayo le kuyiyona efunakalayo, okuyiyona ezokukhulula iAfrika yonke. I-servant leadership is what we need in our continent. We need servant leadership. What is servant leadership? Servant leadership is when a servant is sitting as a leader, a servant. Not a leader, not a lord, not a king, not a god, not a lord, not a prophet or priest or whatsoever these big titles that we have. But when a servant is seated in the position of power, then things will move. That is how Africa became one of the most established civilizations, and dynasties were born out of that civilizations for many, many, many millennia. Until corruption came, until change again, because change does not care. Whether you like it or not, change will come with or without you. It is inevitable. So I was just marveling on this, and then I tied it together. The fact that these 3 J's, Joseph, Jeroboam, and Jesus, went to hide in Egypt. And then when they came back, they came with expertise. They came with knowledge and wisdom and understanding. They came with proper training. They came with the ability to be bearers of change, regardless of opposition, regardless of circumstance, regardless of circumstantial issues that are deep, complicated, and impossible to easily resolve. They came back and brought about change, the change that is felt even up until today. Wonderful. Bazalwane bami, ngizosho njalo ukuthi ungashiyi isikole, isikhathi sakho siyeza. Uma ufuna ukwenza trading ungayenza esikoleni. Uma ufuna ukwenza amanye ama-studies, hlala esikoleni uyibiyele into yakho. Ijulile inamandla nawe uyayibona, kodwa idinga i-protection. Idinga abantu abadala abazoyichanela kahle. Idinga abantu abadala. Usho njalo ubaba kaTo uthi awuyona uNkulunkulu wezando, ukuthi lesi sando sasizosiza ukuthi ukwazi ukuchannel i-energy yakho ube effective. Unganhlanhlathi utholakala uyinkosi yayo yonke into, utholakala uJack of all trades. Isikole bazalwane sizosiza ukuthi noma ngabe yini le oyiphethe ozena emhlabeni ichaneleke kahle, fundiseke. Usho njalo baba kaKataleya mesefile athi lokhu kuyipassport yakho, ahamba uKataleya afike kumalume wakhe, athi umalume wakhe, ngiyakubona ufuna ukubula abantu mntanami, excuse me, kodwa kudinga ukuthi uyofunda kuqala ukuthi abantu babulawa kanjani, umhlaba usebenza kanjani. So bengizosho nalo kuwena, ukuthi musu kushiya isikole, isikhathi sakho siyeza.